Hello, being engineer. My name is Whitley Tsireletso. Actually made this video from Botswana. I'm the guy who commented on your video, who needed help. I've watched your video of how you made the connection of how to make the wireless doorbell, and I tried to do the same thing, but I was without any luck. My circuit could not work. I could not actually transfer the frequency as you did on the video. So I thought maybe I could do this video just to show you how I've made the video. How I've made the connection, so that you can at least see if you can maybe point out the mistakes that I made that could have made the connection not to work out. So but I would really appreciate it if you would maybe make another video where you would show step by step how you made the connection in the breadboard. But if you don't have that time, at least can you please look at how I've tried to make the connection, and just maybe point out my mistakes. So without wasting any time, let me just try to show you how I've made the connections. And then I made the connections looking at your circuit that you gave us in the video. So I'll just try to, I hope you will see from the video how I've made the connections. And then I'll start. This is my receiver circuit, and then from your connection, I can see that on this leg here it is grounded. So this is this leg. This is the leg here. This is the leg here. It is grounded, so I connected this wire. It goes all the way to the negative. The way I understand is to ground, you connect to the negative line. I don't really know much. I don't really know much about electronics, and the last time I did an electronic course was like 4 years ago, just a basic course for that matter. So you'd forgive me if if I don't really understand much. So this I've made the first connection here, the grounding that is done here. And then on the second leg, I can see it's connected to pin 14 on the IC. This is the HT12D IC. So on the second leg here, this is the wire. It goes all the way to the pin 14, which is I hope you can see it. It's here. So this is the connection. And then before I can move on, the receiver that I used here is a 433 megahertz. I can see that on your video you used the 434, but I asked and you said it's okay, I can use 433, so that is what I've used. And then moving on to the connections, on the last leg here is connected to the 5-volt output from the voltage regulator here. So I took I made that connection. This is the connection. It goes all the way to the output here. This is the connection, and then the connections here are done. And then going to the IC on the 18th leg, it is connected to the 5 volts. So here it is, 18th going to the 5 volt there. And then on the 17th leg, I can see a light emitting diode is connected here, and it's grounded. So that is what I've done. I've connected it to the 17th leg, and I've grounded it to get to the negative. But what I don't understand here is, because I hear an LED has polarity, so I don't know if the negative or the positive is connected to the 17th leg. But what I did is just I have connected it to from the IC, it's the positive to the positive of the LED. And what I don't understand too is that in your video I can see that there are 2 LEDs, but in your diagram, the transmitter and the receiver diagram, the circuit diagram, I see only 1 LED. So can you please try to also explain that? And then going back to your circuit, on the 16th and 15th leg of the IC, I can see that there's a 47k resistor. That is what I've done here. I just took it from 16 to 15. I hope that's how you do it. And then 14 here, this is the pin here, it's connected. This one was the one that was taken. This was on the 14th pin, I believe, is the one that was going here. So I've shown that connection that is on the second leg. This is the connection from the receiver to the 14th pin. So then on the 10th leg, it's taken to the negative to the buzzer. That is, here's the connection 10. This is to the buzzer. This is the buzzer I've used. And then the positive to the 5 volt output. Here it is, 5 volt output. And then on the 9th leg, it is grounded. So this is what I've done. I've taken it from here 9 and I've grounded it to the negative. And then here on this circuit here, you can see that this one is connected to the positive. This one I haven't really, let me make that connection. It's here, connected to the positive, to the source, to the power source. And then I can see that on the middle leg here, it is grounded. So I took the middle one here, that's what I did, and I grounded it. And then I think what's left is connecting the power source. And then I haven't really connected the power source, but what I did is here's the battery, the 9 volt battery. I have done this before, so I connected this one to the positive and the power source to the other one to the positive. And then that's my receiver circuit. And then on the transmitter circuit, I think my battery is running out. Let me finish before it goes out. On the transmitter circuit, I'll try to be a bit quick here. I've grounded, like I can see, you have grounded this leg. That's what I did here. I took it here, I grounded it. The middle leg here is taken to pin 17. Here it is, taking it to pin 17. And then the 5, this one, taken to the 5 source, the 5 output. Here it is, to the 5 output. And then on the HT12E, on the 18th part, 18 leg taken to the 5 volt. Here it is, to 5 volt. 17, we've already covered this one. And then here I can see 1 mega resistor, 16 and 15 leg. Here it is. And then the 14 is grounded. 14, here is 14, it is grounded here on the negative. And then the 10th leg, it is taken to the switch. 10, this is to the switch. And then this one grounded, taken this one here, I've grounded it there. And then the ninth leg grounded, so 9 grounded. And then the middle part here grounded. I haven't, okay, there's no wire for that, but what I did previously, I grounded the middle one. And then this one taken to the power source. I haven't made that connection also, but what I did previously, I taken this one to the power source. I connect the power source on this line. So yeah, I think that's how I've been doing the connections. And when I tried to switch it on, there was no transmission, nothing was working. So if you could maybe show me where I went wrong. And this is what I've used. This is the RF module that I've used. I don't know if they are the correct one, but I believe they are. This is the receiver, the transmitter, and then this one, it didn't come with an antenna, so I just made mine. I don't know if it's allowed, if I can make my own antenna, or I should leave it as it was. So this is how it is. I connected my own here, but this one I bought it came with the antenna. And then also the switch, can you try to explain? Because the switch, I was a bit confused because it has 4 legs, so I didn't know which one. It has 4 legs, so I didn't know if like if I connect it here, like, is it okay for it to, is it, I mean, if I connect, do I connect here or this side? I don't really get it there. And then the other thing which I was confused by, I think it was the connection of the resistors. Like, I don't know if I've connected them okay. So can you just try to help me out there? I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much.